हेलो एवरीबडी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एक्सपीरियंसेस इन शॉर्ट। सो आप अगर इस चैनल में नए हो तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन so that you get the notifications regularly, and if you have been a part of this channel already, thanks for being a part of this journey. So आज का जो वीडियो है वो बनने वाला है मेरे recent purchases from Amazon के बारे में। I would say that this is going to be a Amazon haul. So मैंने Amazon से कुछ home decors ऑर्डर किए हुए थे और I just want to share my experience in this video with you guys. Recently, I have started working from home. Really, it's a big struggle to find that perfect cozy corner where I can focus on my work, take all my video calls, concentrate. So I thought, why not give me that perfect space where I can focus on my work. Also, I would make it appealing so that I can shoot my videos, shoot the photos for Instagram, YouTube. So then I thought, let me give a makeover to a corner of my room, which I would say that it is going to be my space. The first product that I have is a motivational quote. So this, I have got this in 4 frames that I'm going to show you one by one. The first 2 frames in which it is written believe and hope, and in the second 2 frames it is written dream and try. So these 4 quotes I have got and I am going to put it in my wall. So these frames are quite sturdy. At the same time, they are very lightweight. And if you are staying in a rented apartment or a rented house and where you cannot put a nail, so these frames are really going to work if you can put some 3M tapes behind it and just paste it in your wall. So this is going to elevate the style of your wall, at the same time motivate you throughout the day when you are working. So ये workspace के लिए एक perfect चीज़ है, not only for workspace, I would say एक living space के लिए बहुत ही perfect चीज़ है. And this is colorful, this is vibrant. I got it just at 299 rupees. So definitely I would recommend this product specifically if you are planning to have a nice background for your Instagram picture or you want to shoot a YouTube video. So this is going to be one of the most go-to products because it is affordable, this is sturdy, this is nice looking, this is colorful. So definitely I love this and I'm going to put this in my wall, and in my next video I will show you how I have put all these 4 frames together. Let's move on to our second product. क्योंकि मैं एक वर्क फ्रॉम होम सेटअप कर रही हूँ, आई वॉन्टेड अ लैम्प ऑन द टेबल. सो आई जस्ट डिडंट वॉन्टेड the old cliche वाला lamp, but I wanted a different kind of vibrant lamp. So इसके लिए मैंने Amazon से ऑर्डर किया था ये लैम्प. दिस इज मेटल एंड आप अगर ये देखोगे ये बहुत ही कलरफुल है एंड मेरा जो वॉल कलर है दैट इज़ लाइटर इन शेड. सो दिस विल गो परफेक्टली विद द बैकग्राउंड एंड मैं इसको अपने टेबल पे यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. आई गॉट दिस अराउंड 599 रुपीज़, बट दिस इज़ सुपर वर्थ इट. तो दिस इज़ वन प्रोडक्ट विच यू कैन completely trust on, and this is going to give a different look to your whole setup. So definitely you can go for it. Next जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट, हमारा थर्ड प्रोडक्ट इज़ आई ऑर्डर्ड इज़ अ सॉलिड बेड कवर फ्रॉम द ब्रांड कॉल्ड Solimo. The cost of this was 900 rupees, but there was some discount going on, so I got this around 500 rupees. इसका मटेरियल जो है कॉटन है एंड दिस बेड कवर इज़ इन मिडनाइट ब्लू कलर. So why I got this is because at this while I'm setting up a table, I also want a low sitting area, just because I don't want to sit on full day on that table because that will be kind of very boring for me. I wanted a different setup, different background. So मैंने सोचा with the table I will also create a low sitting area जिसमें कि मैं इसको low sitting जो मेरा स्पेस है वहाँ पे यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ गुड क्योंकि ये कॉटन बेडशीट है, सिंगल बेडशीट है. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव अ थम्स अप फॉर दिस प्रोडक्ट. इफ यू गाइज आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हैव अ वर्क फ्रॉम होम सेटअप इन अ लो सिटिंग एरिया, go for a solid bedsheet, I would say, because with solid bedsheets you can just add some throw pillows, a plant nearby, some fairy lights, and you are good to go. And that gives you a perfect ambience, that gives you a perfect background. I have ordered it in color of midnight blue. You can order depending on your choice. Now comes the fourth product. When I'm talking about work from home, the most important product is to have a good bottle. I ordered a glass bottle. This is a Milton brand. So this product came quite early because it just had next day delivery. And I love this bottle because this is very cute. यहाँ पे एक Iceman बना हुआ है. Recently I have completely stopped using plastics. So मैंने ये ग्लास बॉटल ऐड किया है जो कि मैं अपने टेबल के ऊपर रखने वाली हूँ. I just love this bottle and this is from a good brand as well, and I think this will be a very very sustainable product. So yeah, I just love this product and I would recommend this product. इसका जो प्राइस था is 260 rupees, which is again very affordable. So everything I have ordered here is under 500 rupees, I would say, or maximum 600 rupees. But yeah, all these products which has come is really nice, just that I have to see how well it goes together. Now moving on to our next item. I have ordered this tablecloth. I will put the link of all these products in the description box. So this I am going to put it over my table because I am planning to use a wooden dark color table. मेरा जो lamp मैंने जो पहले दिखाया था उसका color blue है, so I just wanted to have a very lighter background और जिसके ऊपर वो रहे वो थोड़ा lighter shade में हो. So इसलिए मैंने ये order किया है और इसको again मैं repurpose कर सकती हूँ बहुत सारे way में. It will not be only a table cover. Later I can use it as some background. I can use it when I'm having a low sitting area का decor. I will try and innovate things around it, but for the time being I'm going to use it over my table as a tablecloth. And I completely love it because crochet design मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So and this has a lovely pattern. So I think this is going to give a different vibe to my decor altogether. Let's come to our next product. I know guys, plastic use करना हमेशा सही नहीं होता है. It's not environment friendly, but recently I just love this green money plant. Though this is like artificial, but still this is not a plastic material, I would say. So please don't curse me for this. This is like a cloth material, so this is sustainable again. And why I'm not using a plant or a natural plant, the reason is it's very difficult to maintain everything, and being a working woman doing a lot of things together, managing home, managing my channel, managing my work, sometimes it's very difficult to take care of a plant. And what I feel is अगर मैं किसी चीज़ का take care नहीं कर सकती हूँ, I should not go for that thing. So yeah, ये मनी प्लांट बहुत ही सुंदर है. और अगर मैंने जैसे बोला था मेरा वो लिविंग स्पेस एरिया और जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम स्टेशन एरिया, दैट इज़ somehow lighter in shade. So if I put this is going to add some kind of freshness to the whole setup. Though I would have definitely preferred a natural plant, but still I think this is going to serve my purpose. And I love this plant, love the color, love the pattern around it. So let's see how it goes with our home decor look. This plant is again, I got it around 275 rupees. It has 3 strands. So it has basically 3 strands, which I'm not sure if I'm going to put it together or I'm going to put it separately, but this will give a kind of freshness to the whole look. So moving on to my next product, I have ordered a shelf. So अगर हम work from home में कोई भी चीज़ कर रहे हैं तो एक shelf रहना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. So मैंने ये शेल्फ ऑर्डर किया था Amazon से. Alright, so जो हमारा नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है वो थोड़ा सा मेरे को टाइम लगा खोलने के लिए. So this is this product. It's a hanging shelf. I just love this shelf because this gives me a perfect bohemian cornered look. So and this has a hook here, so I can use it to hang it anywhere. So I don't know, but this gives me a perfect look for a corner. I can put some plants here, I can put few of my things here, and I love this shelf completely. This is in white plywood, and this wood I would say is in a jute brown hanging. So ये जो string है ये काफ़ी sturdy है, and it looks like it can hold even heavy things, but I would prefer keeping some light and nice things over it, and I completely love this shelf. I did not expect this to be so good at such a affordable price. Again, I got this around 299 rupees, and this is super worth it because this goes with the whole setup of my work from home corner as well as a perfect living corner. So you can use this anywhere. You can use this in your bedroom if you want to keep some small things. You can keep it in your living room if you want to keep some books or something over this. This is very sturdy and this can hold heavyweight things as well. So but it depends on the nail on which you are tying it. For me, I don't have a nail, so that's why I'm just planning to use a adhesive hook for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep some light things over it. But this shelf, guys, is a must buy and I'm completely in love with this. I cannot wait to put it over my wall. जैसे आपको बता रही थी, मेरा अभी एक perfect work from home का setup नहीं है. I'm going to use one of my already available chairs. लेकिन मेरे को ये लगा कि वो मेरे corner के साथ that's not going really nice. So मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना उसके लिए मैं cover ले लूँ. तो मैंने ये cover order किया है again from Amazon. All the products that I'm talking about is from Amazon. तो मैंने ये एक blue color में एक चेयर कवर लिया है जो कि मैं अपने चेयर पे लगाने वाली हूँ. And then I think all my products will go together well because I have kind of color coordinated them. And the last product that I have is the most favorite product of mine. It's again a wall hanging, so I just thought I'll hang a lot of good motivational things around so that it keeps me energetic throughout the day. So this is the last product, guys, which says good vibes. Like, I'm completely loving this. This is very lightweight, vibrant, and the alphabets are quite bold and visible because it is in white, a contrasting color. So yeah, this is something which I would love to hang somewhere around my table so that I keep seeing it and feeling that, oh, I just love this quote. Good vibes only, no bad vibes. So that's all I had for today's video. I will put the link of these products in the description box. If you like any of these products, you can go and check it out. Stay connected with me, guys, because the next video is going to be very, very interesting. I'm going to use all these products and give a makeover to my living cum work from home space. So stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.